guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Saania Amaan. She is Maheen and her collection name is Mysha Collection. Make sure you shop and awesome collection guys for all occasion. She's got beautiful salwars at the moment and let me show you how it is. And say hi Maheen.
Hey, assalamu alaikum guys. Hello.
Yes,
how are you all?
Yeah, she lives in Austria, does postage as well. So any collection you like, you can ask her through Messenger, or she has got the FB link. I will mention in the description box below there as well. So make sure you check that link and order beautiful salwars from her.
Thank you so much, Saania.
And I have come here. This is the second time I'm visiting, and I loved her collection. And shop your Eid or Diwali or whatever it is. Every time it's like a latest trendy outfit she gets it. So please make sure you like her page and also click on the link and order. That's it I can say.
So
and I'm going to show you whatever I have shopped from her. So let me show you what I've got it.